Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. So here I have a 4-tier round acrylic cupcake stand. I am kind of excited about this. I have a plan for what I'm going to do when this is all put together. So let's take a look at it here. I'm going to tilt this down a little bit so you can see the product. Okay, so, this is really cool. It comes with lights that are battery operated. That's really neat. Here is everything you need to put it together. Screws, a little screwdriver, and then the posts. And then let's take a look at this. So here are the pieces to the stand. So it's protected. It has stuff on it that you will peel off when you're ready, so it doesn't get dinged and scratched. And it looks like these are little places to put the lights. So that is super cool. You can see those little notches. This is so neat, you guys. I cannot wait to put this together. I'm so excited. All right, and then here is the top and the bottom. So here's the bottom where everything gets attached to, and then here's the very top plate. So I am going to put this together and come back and show you guys what it looks like. All right, so I went ahead and put it together. I haven't put the lights on yet, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. And when you are screwing this together, make sure that you're using the side of the plate that is indented so that once you put the screw in, it's nice and flat and even. But here is what it looks like before I put food on it and before I put the lights on it. Okay guys, so here is the stand with a few items on it just so you can kind of get an idea of the size and the lights. So the lights weren't that hard to put on in these little grooves, but it did take some time to kind of wind it around everything, and I definitely recommend stretching the lights out all the way before you put them on because they were kind of tangled together when I took them out of the package. So here you can see it's blinking, and in the back, I'm going to change it back here so that they also can be just solid and not blinking. And that simply was just on the battery pack in the back here on this button. You can flip it back and forth and it can be solid or they can blink.